Introduction. Angular 18, a new era of web development. The world of web development is constantly evolving. New frameworks and tools emerge, promising to make our lives easier and our applications faster. Angular, Google's popular JavaScript framework, has been a major player in this landscape for years. With the release of Angular 18, the framework takes another leap forward, introducing innovative features designed to streamline development workflows and boost application performance. This essay will explore two of the most exciting additions to Angular 18, zoneless change detection and function-based route redirects. We'll delve into how these features work, their benefits for developers, and their potential impact on the future of web development. Whether you're a seasoned Angular expert or just starting your journey, this exploration will equip you with the knowledge to harness the power of Angular 18. Angular 18 is more than just an upgrade. It's a testament to the framework's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. It addresses the evolving needs of developers, providing them with the tools they need to build faster, more efficient, and more user-friendly web applications. In the following sections, we'll uncover the magic behind these new features and understand how they contribute to a smoother and more enjoyable development experience. Join me as we unravel the exciting possibilities that Angular 18 brings to the table and discover how this powerful framework continues to shape the future of web development. Let's dive in. Change detection is at the heart of Angular's reactivity. It's the mechanism that ensures your application's UI stays in sync with the underlying data. Traditionally, Angular used zones to detect changes which, while effective, could sometimes lead to performance bottlenecks, especially in complex applications. Angular 18 introduces a game-changer, zoneless change detection. This innovative feature eliminates the need for zones, resulting in significant performance improvements. With zoneless change detection, Angular can now update only the parts of the DOM that are truly affected by a change, rather than checking the entire application. This targeted approach minimizes unnecessary computations and DOM manipulations, leading to faster rendering times and a smoother user experience. Imagine building highly dynamic applications where updates happen seamlessly without affecting the performance. That's the power of zoneless change detection in Angular 18, but the benefits don't stop there. Zoneless change detection also simplifies the development process. By removing the complexities of zones, developers can write cleaner, more predictable code. This reduction in boilerplate code makes debugging easier and allows developers to focus on building the core logic of their applications. It's a win-win situation for both developers and users. Routing is another crucial aspect of web development, allowing users to navigate between different views or sections of your application. Angular has always provided a robust routing system, but Angular 18 takes it a step further with function-based route redirects. Prior to Angular 18, redirecting routes often involved defining separate redirect components or using complex logic within route guards. This could add unnecessary complexity to the codebase, making it harder to understand and maintain. Function-based route redirects simplify this process significantly. With this new feature, developers can now define route redirects directly within the routing configuration using simple functions. These functions receive the current route as an argument and can dynamically determine the target route based on various conditions. This makes redirecting routes more intuitive and less verbose. For instance, you can easily redirect unauthenticated users to a login page or redirect users to a specific product page based on their browsing history. This level of flexibility and control empowers developers to create more dynamic and personalized user experiences. Function-based route redirects contribute to a cleaner and more maintainable codebase, making it easier for teams to collaborate and build complex applications. Angular 18 is not just about groundbreaking features, it's also about refining the developer experience and squeezing out every ounce of performance. The latest version comes packed with enhancements and optimizations that make developing with Angular a breeze. One notable improvement is the enhanced Angular CLI, command line interface. The CLI is a developer's best friend, providing a set of commands for creating, building, and deploying Angular applications. Angular 18 introduces new CLI commands and options that streamline common development tasks, such as generating components and services, running tests, and optimizing builds for production. Performance is always a top priority, and Angular 18 delivers on that front. The framework's core has undergone significant optimizations, resulting in faster application startup times, reduced bundle sizes, and improved runtime performance. These optimizations are especially noticeable in large and complex applications where even small performance gains can make a significant difference. Angular 18 also embraces the latest web standards and best practices. The framework is now fully aligned with the latest TypeScript and ECMAScript standards, ensuring that developers can leverage the latest language features and write more robust and maintainable code. Additionally, Angular 18 incorporates best practices for accessibility, ensuring that applications built with Angular are usable by everyone. Let's delve deeper into the mechanics of zoneless change detection and understand how it achieves its magic. At its core, zoneless change detection leverages the power of signals, a new reactivity primitive introduced in Angular. Signals provide a fine-grained and efficient way to track changes within your application. In a nutshell, signals allow you to create reactive variables that notify subscribers whenever their value changes. When a signal's value is updated, Angular's change detection mechanism is triggered, but only for components that are directly dependent on that signal. This targeted approach eliminates unnecessary checks and updates, resulting in significant performance gains. To understand this better, consider a scenario where you have a component displaying a list of products. If only the price of a single product changes, with zoneless change detection, Angular will only update the DOM element displaying that specific product's price. The rest of the product list remains untouched, resulting in a much faster and more efficient update process. This granular control over change detection is a game changer for Angular developers. It allows for the creation of highly dynamic and responsive applications without sacrificing performance. By embracing signals and zoneless change detection, developers can build lightning-fast applications that provide a seamless user experience. The advantages of zoneless change detection and function-based route redirects extend beyond theoretical improvements. These features have practical implications that directly benefit developers in their day-to-day workflows. For developers, zoneless change detection translates to a simpler mental model when building Angular applications. Without the need to reason about zones and their implications, developers can focus on the core logic of their applications, leading to cleaner and more maintainable code. This reduction in cognitive load makes it easier to onboard new developers and reduces the likelihood of introducing bugs. Moreover, the performance benefits of zoneless change detection cannot be overstated. Applications built with this feature are simply faster and more responsive, especially as they grow in size and complexity. This enhanced performance leads to a better user experience, which is crucial for any successful web application. Function-based route redirects also contribute to a smoother development experience. By simplifying the process of defining route redirects, developers can implement complex navigation logic with ease. This leads to more maintainable code and reduces the time spent on debugging routing issues. In essence, Angular 18 empowers developers to build better applications with less effort. The combination of zoneless change detection and function-based route redirects, along with other enhancements, makes Angular 18 a compelling choice for both new and existing projects. Let's break down how function-based route redirects work in practice with a simple example. Imagine you have an e-commerce application where you want to redirect users to a product page after they log in, but only if they were trying to access a product page before logging in. Traditionally, this would involve storing the intended route in the application state and redirecting the user after login. With function-based route redirects, you can achieve this directly within your routing configuration. Consider these routes: a path for products/ID leading to a product component, and another path for login leading to a login component where an auth guard handles authentication. The redirect to function checks if the user was previously on a product page. If so, it redirects them to that page. Otherwise, it redirects to the main product list. This approach keeps the routing logic concise and easy to understand. Function-based route redirects provide a powerful and flexible way to handle dynamic routing scenarios in your Angular applications. By embracing this feature, you can create more user-friendly and intuitive navigation experiences. One of the often overlooked benefits of well-designed features like zoneless change detection and function-based route redirects is their positive impact on code organization and maintainability. Zoneless change detection encourages a more component-driven architecture. With change detection happening at a more granular level, components become more self-contained and less reliant on external factors. This makes it easier to reason about individual components, test them in isolation, and reuse them across the application. Function-based route redirects contribute to a more centralized and organized routing configuration. By defining all redirect logic within the routing module, developers have a clear and concise overview of how navigation works within the application. This makes it easier to understand, debug, and modify routing behavior as the application evolves. Clean, organized code is crucial for long-term maintainability, especially in large projects with multiple developers. Angular 18's focus on these aspects makes it a joy to work with for both individual developers and teams, ultimately leading to more robust and scalable applications. Angular 18 is not just an incremental update. It represents a significant step forward in the evolution of the framework and web development as a whole. By embracing innovative features like zoneless change detection and function-based route redirects, Angular 18 paves the way for a future where web applications are faster, more efficient, and easier to build. The performance gains offered by zoneless change detection are particularly noteworthy. As web applications become increasingly complex and data-intensive, the ability to handle change detection efficiently becomes paramount. Angular 18's approach to change detection ensures that applications remain performant even as they grow in size and complexity. Furthermore, the introduction of signals as a core reactivity primitive opens up exciting possibilities for the future of Angular. Signals provide a powerful and flexible foundation for building reactive user interfaces, and we can expect to see further innovation in this area in future releases of Angular. Angular 18's commitment to developer experience is also evident in its focus on improving the CLI, enhancing performance, and embracing the latest web standards. These improvements make Angular a joy to work with, and ensure that developers have the tools they need to build cutting-edge web applications. Angular 18 is a testament to the framework's commitment to continuous improvement and innovation. With features like zoneless change detection and function-based route redirects, Angular 18 empowers developers to build faster, more efficient, and more maintainable web applications. The introduction of zoneless change detection marks a significant milestone in Angular's evolution, offering a glimpse into the future of reactivity in web development. By embracing signals and a more targeted approach to change detection, Angular 18 unlocks a new level of performance and efficiency. Function-based route redirects may seem like a small addition, but their impact on code organization and developer experience is substantial. By simplifying routing logic, Angular 18 makes it easier for developers to focus on building the core features of their applications. As the web development landscape continues to evolve, Angular remains at the forefront, constantly adapting and improving to meet the needs of developers. Angular 18 is a testament to this commitment, providing developers with the tools they need to build the next generation of web experiences. What are your thoughts on Angular 18 and its innovative features? Have you had a chance to experiment with zoneless change detection or function-based route redirects in your projects? Share your experiences, insights, and any questions you might have in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and explore the exciting possibilities that Angular 18 brings to the world of web development.